Why 90% of crypto beginners lose money? Crypto is the modern-day gold rush, but for every millionaire, there are 10,000 people who lost everything. Why? Because most people treat crypto like a casino. And in a casino, the house always wins. If you don't want to be a statistic, listen up. Here are the 3 reasons why beginners fail. Reason 1. FOMO and chasing hype. The biggest killer is FOMO. The fear of missing out. Beginners wait until a coin is pumping 100% before they buy. Listen to me, if you buy at the peak, you aren't an investor, you are the exit liquidity for the pros. They sell to you when the price is high, and you're left holding the bag when it crashes. Never buy the hype, buy the silence. Reason 2. Gambling versus investing. Second, beginners ignore blue chips, like Bitcoin and Ethereum, to chase shitcoins, promising 100x returns. They use high leverage, thinking they'll get rich overnight. But a tiny 2% dip can wipe out your entire account. Wealth is built through patience and dollar cost averaging DCA, not through a lucky spin on a dog-themed coin. Reason 3. Security. Lastly, security. If you leave your life savings on an exchange, you're asking for trouble. Remember the golden rule, not your keys, not your coins. If you don't own your private keys, you don't own your money. Get a cold wallet and take control of your assets. Crypto is a massive transfer of wealth from the impatient to the patient. Don't be the person who buys high and sells low. Educate yourself, stay calm, and play the long game. If you're ready to win, hit that subscribe button and let's get to work. Class dismissed.